In this video, I will show you how to recover an SQL database and how to fix the error "Database cannot be opened due to inaccessible files or insufficient memory or disk space." So here when I run this query, we obtain this error, and also we can see that this database is displayed with the states recovery pending. So I will show you how to fix this error using two methods: the manual approach and using Stellar Repair for MS SQL. First, let's put this database in the emergency mode. So let's delete this query and let's run this query. Now let's select databases and let's refresh the connection. And now we can see that this database is in the emergency mode. Let's delete this query and let's read the data again. And now we can see that we can read the data. Now let's export this database. So we can make a right click, then tasks, then generate scripts. Let's click on next. Let's select the first option, then next. Then let's click on advanced. Let's scroll down. And here for the types of data to script, we have several options. So in my case, I will select only the data. Then OK. Then let's select this option. And let's provide the file path. So I will save the file on the desktop. Let's call it database.sql. Then save. Then next. Next again. And let's wait till the export of the database. So here we can see that all the tables have been exported successfully. Let's click on Finish. And you can see that we have this new file. Let's open it. So you can use this file to save your data into another database. Now I will show you another method to recover the database and to fix the error. So I will show you how to use Stellar Repair for MS SQL. So let's go to the browser. And here let's type Stellar Repair for MS SQL. Let's go to the first link. And here you can download Stellar Repair for MS SQL, but in my case it is already downloaded. You can also use the online repair tool. So let's open another tab. And here let's type Stellar Repair for MS SQL online. Then let's click on this link. And here you can use the online tool to repair the database, but in my case I will use the desktop application. So let's run Stellar Repair for MS SQL. Then select Database. Then Browse. And you need to go to the folder that contains the different databases. So let's click on this PC, then the C drive, then Program Files, then Microsoft SQL Server, then let's open this folder, then this one, then we have the data folder. Then let's select the corrupted database. Then Repair. Let's select the first option, then OK. And we obtain this error because the database is already used by SQL Server. So let's open the command prompt. Then here let's type services.msc. Let's scroll down. Then let's select SQL Server and let's stop it. Let's go back to Stellar Repair. Then OK. Let's select the database again. Then Repair. Then OK. And here we can see that the database is repaired successfully. So now we need to click on the Save button to save the database. So let's click on OK. Then Save. Let's select New Database. So we will create a new database. Then Next. Let's provide the server name and the instance name. And let's save the database in the default folder of SQL Server. Then let's click on Next. Then Save. So we obtained this error because we stopped the SQL server. So let's go back to the services.msc and let's run the SQL server again. Let's click on Save again, then Next. Let's provide the server name, then Next, then Save. And you can see that the database is saved successfully. Let's click on OK. And let's go back to SSMS. So now let's refresh the connection. So we need to select the databases, then let's refresh the connection. So let's scroll down and you can see that we have this new database. So now we can delete the corrupted database and we can rename the new database. So let's delete this one. We can make a right click, then delete. So here let's select close existing connection, then OK. Then let's rename this database. So we can use SQL queries. So let's delete this query. Then let's run these queries. So we will set the new database in single user mode. Then we will change the name of the database. So we will use the name bestBuildDB. Then we will set the new database in the multi-user mode again. So let's run the queries. Then let's refresh the connection to see the new name of this database. So let's select databases and let's refresh the connection. So we can see that we have this database, bestBuildDB, and now we can read the data of this database. So let's delete this. And let's read the data of the items table. So here we can see that we can read the data of the table.